Shades of Afrika presents a DIY Chebe Powder Hair Mask. Here's a list of our tools and ingredients we'll be using. Before we begin, let's stop by Shades of Afrika for some supplies. Got everything we need from here. Now we're off to the front for the essential oils.
What are you going to do with rosemary? This is one of my favorite essentials.
I'm actually making a hair mask.
Oh yes. Look at that. I can't wait to see. All products that we make by hand now today are much better than anything we'll buy in the markets. So keep creating. Honestly, it's the best thing any one of us can do for ourselves. Keep it as natural as you can and constantly create and recreate what your body needs. You'll love it.
First, we're going to need a 1/4 cup of shea butter, 2 teaspoons of Jamaican black castor oil, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Now we're getting our double boiler ready to go. All you have to do is fill your pot with a little bit of water, and then you're putting your other pot inside of that water and let it boil and melt your oils. Once your oils have melted, you want to put the bowl into the refrigerator or freezer until it's partially solidified. It should look something like this. Now I've already added our drops of essential oils, and now we're adding 1 tablespoon of Chebe powder. And now it's time to mix. We want it to be a paste consistency, something similar to sandwich bread. That's what we're going for. And this is what it looks like once it's all mixed in. As you can see, the consistency is nice and blended well. And that's it. We just take our mask and put it into a little jar, and it's ready to go. Use 2 hours before you wash your hair weekly for best results.